Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine and I'm doing a video for unboxing my FRE Lifeproof case. Excuse my cat, he's talking, he likes to talk. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna unbox this. I just got it in the mail, I didn't realize I did. And I was doing another video and I opened this, I'm like, it's here. There you go. So when you open it, it's just like that. Instead of getting the black one, because my iPhones 7 Plus are both black, I got two of them so I can tell them apart. I got one with white, one with a black thingy here. I decided to get the different color, and this is the one that kind of got my eye. Just very simple, you know, just this color, beige, with a teal accent on the sides that goes around right here, all around. So this one is not open. It's enclosed just like the old one compared to the iPhone 7 Plus. These are enclosed. Everything is enclosed pretty much. And let me see. I remember purchasing this. They tell you need to go ahead and check it out first. You should put it in the water for 30 minutes and make sure that it's fully sealed, closed, to make sure that it does not, the water doesn't go through there. So I still need to do that. On the box it says new design, new thin design, FRE waterproof, dirt proof, snow proof, drop proof, and it's submergible for 2 meters for 1 hour with built-in screen cover and survives drop from 2 meters. Just like that. It says it right there. And then right here it is iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright, I was just reading the back. Nothing exciting. Next, since I got my phone here, I was waiting for this to arrive just so I can properly use this. I haven't even opened the box. But let's see how it looks in first. Yeah. Oh yeah. I just noticed it says here, before exposing your device to water, it is important to water test your case. This ensures correct case assembly and the watertight seal. See the manual or visit lifeproof.com/support/products. So it says it on the back right there. You put it in here. I just put it on the top. And make sure you hear it snap to fully ensure that it's closed for you. I'm just trying to figure these out. There. And this is a different opening compared to the iPhone 7 Plus. This goes sideways, just like that. And there you go. Let's see how it compares to the iPhone 7 Plus. It's pretty much the same size, and the width similar. There you go. And same thing, I'm going to put one of these for this. It's just, I find it really easy to just go like that. You know, it's easier for me. And there you go. I hope you guys find this helpful. And if you guys are deciding to get this, oh, let me add also that this is the Is this the off button? Yep, this is the off button. This is, what is that button? This is the volume button on over here. This one, I don't know what this is yet. If you guys know, wait, what is this here? Oh, it's your ringer button thingy thing. That's the one over here. Okay. I'm getting hot. All right. I hope you guys find this helpful. This is similar kind of setup. Obviously, it's a similar phone, except this is a 7 and this is the current iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's a mouthful for me. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up. And if you like more videos to watch, subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.